If you want to learn web design, you only need to understand 3 elements. Yes, just 3. And if you truly understand these, you'll be able to design almost any website you see online. When I say website, I mean websites like Apple, Stripe, and Airbnb. Most beginners feel overwhelmed when they see these beautiful designs and assume there must be some secret tool, some magical software, some hidden technique that only professionals know. And honestly, that belief alone stops most people before they even start. But every website you see is made with just 3 things: boxes, images, and text. Every small detail you notice on a website is simply these 3 elements combined in different ways. Boxes are the foundation of everything. In fact, the entire web is built on something called the box model. Every single element on a website lives inside a box. Even the entire screen is a box. Web design is really just boxes inside boxes inside boxes. Text and images are other elements that also live inside the box. Images and text are what turn a layout into something emotional and beautiful. Alright, it's time to take a look at some real websites. Let's take a look at the website apple.com. At the top, you see the navigation bar. That's just a horizontal box with text inside smaller boxes. The hero section, a big rectangular box with an image and text placed on top. The product cards, boxes with images and text. The footer, a large box divided into smaller boxes filled with text. You can also look at these designs and see that they're built using only boxes, images, and text. Alright, let me show you how this works in real life. We'll design something using only boxes, images, and text. For this, I'm opening Figma. Here I'm going to create a product card. First, we create a box. Then we add an image inside it. Next, we add some text. After that, we create another smaller box with text inside it to make a button. That's it. Now let's do the same with the navigation bar. A box for the container, text for the menu items, maybe a small image for the logo, and another box with text to create a button. If you understand these fundamentals, you can create any website using just these elements. I want you to understand that designing a website, it's not about mastering complicated tools. If you understand the concept of boxes, this is a great way to start learning web design. No matter which tool you use, they all follow the same principles. The hard part of web design is not learning the tool. Tools are easy. The hard part comes later: choosing the right font, selecting the right images, choosing colors, understanding the user, building a strong content strategy, and communicating with clients. But that's not where you start. All of that comes later. You start by training your eye to see boxes, images, and text. Once you understand these 3 elements, something changes. You stop being intimidated by complex websites. You start breaking them down. That beautiful landing page, a clever arrangement of boxes, strong imagery, and well-styled text. You don't need to know how to code to learn this. You don't need expensive software. You don't need years of experience. You just need to practice arranging boxes, choosing better images, and styling text properly. Once that foundation is strong, everything else builds naturally on top of it. Take your favorite website and break it down into boxes, images, and text. Do that consistently, and your eye will sharpen. Your confidence will grow. And one day, without realizing it, designing a website will feel obvious. Web design is not complicated. We just make it complicated by skipping the fundamentals. Master these 3 things, and you've already done most of the work.